As this drone rises above the property, what you really see is opportunity. Business owners eventually outgrow their space. And one thing I hear from businesses and business owners all the time is, Dan, we're running out of room, but we don't want to move somewhere that's hard for our employees and customers to get to. I get it. And that's exactly why I like this property. This is a great central location with easy access throughout El Paso. Take a look at where we're sitting. You've got quick access to Interstate 10, to Montana, Fort Bliss, and really just about every part of El Paso. Also, you've got to look at the layout. You got 7 offices when you need privacy, open areas when you need collaboration, a conference room for meetings, and enough flexibility to adapt as your business grows. This isn't just an office space. It's the kind of place where you can build a team, meet with clients, and create a professional image for your company. If you've been thinking about upgrading your office or creating a true headquarters, this location, this property deserves a look. This nearly 4,000 square foot office offers the kind of layout that supports productivity from day one, whether you're an engineering firm, insurance agency, medical practice, or a growing company just looking for a headquarters. This property gives you the presence of functionality to move your business forward. You know, finding office space isn't really all about square footage. It's about finding a place where your employees want to come to work, or clients feel really confident walking through the front door, and where your business has room to grow. That's what makes this Montwood location so appealing. With a combination of private offices, meeting spaces, open work areas, and outstanding accessibility from everywhere in El Paso, this property checks a lot of boxes for companies looking to establish or expand their presence. If you'd like to see this in person, give me a call. I'm Dan Olivas at Dan Olivas & Associates.